Hey guys, I'm up here in the workshop today. We're showing off this brand new Isuzu Dmax. It's just gone from Isuzu to MITS alloy. It's just landed itself on our hoist, and we're gonna show you what we're gonna be doing to it. Starting with the Levels GVM upgrade. Now that increases the GVM on this Dmax out to 3.6 ton. The Dmaxes are a little bit different as they require a cooler upgrade in order to get the greater GCM or gross combined mass upgrade. So this vehicle will also get a radiator upgrade, taking the GCM out to 6.9 ton. So on the back of this vehicle, we've gone with a tag 4x4 recovery tow bar. Now these tow bars actually have the recovery points incorporated in the bar. On the side of the vehicle, the customer's chosen to go with a set of Clearview compact mirrors. Now these mirrors will retain all the factory features that the car does, whether it be blind spot monitoring, power fold, electric adjustment, and your indicator. And when you're towing, they will come out. Rather than going with the beautiful factory Dmax snorkel, the customer's chosen to go with the Safari RMAX snorkel. These are a really good quality product with a lifetime warranty, and they're fully dust and water sealed. Now on the front of this vehicle, the customer's made some really nice choices. We've gone ahead and fitted one of the Offroad Animal Toro bars, some Ultravision Australian made lights, and a carbon 12,000 pound winch. All in all, they look fantastic on the front of a Dmax. Underneath this vehicle, guys, the customer's made some really nice choices, such as replacing the factory tank. That's a Brown Davis tank, and the nice thing with these is they also come with a drain plug at the back. So if you pick up some crappy diesel or get some water in your tank, you can drain it without having to remove your tank. We're going to be fitting some Brown Davis bash plate, and what you can't see is we've also installed a complete driveline breather kit. So that's your diffs, your transfer, and your automatic gearbox, all ran into the airbox up in the engine bay. That about sums up what we've done on the build for Chris's brand new Dmax. You know the drill. If you yourself want to get something like this done on your brand new vehicle or some accessories fitted, pick up the phone, give us a call, come and check out our showroom. We can't wait to hear from you.